morning. It's Wednesday and today's busy. Today's very busy. I am going for breakfast with my dad, so I actually really need to hurry up and go. And then I'm gonna meet my friend Jen and we're gonna go to Pollock Park and go to the Borough collection. So I will try vlog. I just don't know how successful I will be at doing that, so fingers crossed. I've already been to the gym and I made a protein shake because I was really hungry and I couldn't wait until like breakfast for something. So anyway, I'm gonna head off now. Here is the outfit. Not a very good show of it. Let me actually turn around. Oh my god, there you are. So here's the outfit. Actually, I'm gonna show you in this mirror. Just a skirt, jumper, tank top. That's it. Anyway, I'm gonna go. Bye. So I'm back from breakfast now. It was really good. We went to Spitfire, me and my dad, and then I just got the bus back and I'm gonna chill and watch The Summer I Turned Pretty. It's episode 7. I'm super excited. I started watching a little bit of it earlier and I know what's gonna come and I'm so excited. Ignore my teeth, okay, and also ignore that reaction, but I'm fucking so excited. I literally, every single week, I long for Wednesdays to like find out what happens. Team Conrad. I love that man. Literally every single time he comes on camera, I like have to stop myself from crying. I see him and I want to cry. Anyway, so I'm about to watch that. And then I'm gonna go meet Jen at the train station. So, I'll see you in a bit. I think it's about to happen. What the fuck? Conrad knows. Okay, update. I'm team Conrad gets the fuck away from everyone. Oh my god. Again. Cried. Every single Wednesday without fail, tears form in my eyes. Just for Conrad. That man. That poor man. Anyway, I'm now gonna get ready to go out again. Finish the episode. Angry, sad, and I need to actually I need to get a life because I'm getting way too angry at TV shows. They're literally, I'm being rage baited every single Wednesday and I'm falling for the rage bait. I'm actually it's fine. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna go. See you in a bit. Okay, sorry, I'm back because I watched the clip again, the beach confession. What the fuck does Belly mean? She put up with a lot worse from you, from Conrad. I'm sorry. Did Conrad cheat? Are you actually fucking insane? Deep breaths. Deep breaths. What do you mean I put up with a lot worse than he forgot your corsage after his mum died? I'm speechless. I'm actually what do you mean? How is that worse than cheating on you? How? Don't speak to me. No one speak to me. I can't deal with this anymore. tired. Oh, and she's... what the fuck has she done? Okay, we're done in the museum, and Jen now wants to go to the park. So we're going to the park. I said that we would go to the museum and be all mature, and then we could go to the park afterwards.
The problem is there's lots of kids.
Like, yeah, that's kind of what parks are made for.
No. But when we first walked past it, right?
Hopefully we'll get a shot on the swings. We can push some kids off.
Can I do the flying fox thing? That's what I want to do.
What's the flying fox thing? Oh my god, there's
like
loads of kids. There was like none earlier.
Exactly.
Whoops. Anyway, I'll update when we're there.
Update. Oh, sorry.
We didn't make what? We didn't make it into the park. It was overrun by kids.
School's out.
Which, you know, it is what they're made for, but boo.
We should have just gone earlier when I first asked. There was no one there at that point. No? I hope you can hear over the...
Yeah, I just took you out for a nice day and now you're complaining about the fucking park.
You're such a mum. Sorry, Mom.
Anyway, we're
Mom,
now
can we
sat
have
here.
a barbecue? Mom?
Look at the view.
Oh, hello there. I can see myself.
Is it a good angle?
I'm kind of skew now. Oh, okay. Bye, bitch.
There we go.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Side note, I think this nail's coming off, which is a bit of a scam. So
annoying.
I also think all the kids in the park are scammers because I really wanted to go on a flying fox.
Dreams have been crushed today, guys.
Yeah. I want to be a kid again, guys.
Anyway. Beautiful day. I'm home now. I'm really tired. I just had some dinner. I only had something light because I wasn't super hungry. But yeah, now I'm gonna go to the cinema with my sister. And that's pretty much it. I'll see ya after the cinema. Hello, I'm back from the cinema now. Me and my sister went to go see Youngblood's movie about like his newest album and like recording it live in a studio in Berlin. It was really good. I really enjoyed it. I don't listen to him too much. I listen to him a bit, but my sister listens to him quite a lot. But it was really good, and it was quite inspiring to like see someone be so passionate and like believe in their ideas so much. And it was really beautiful. So I really enjoyed it. I am so tired. Today was a jam-packed day. I've got a cup of tea. And I cannot wait to get into bed. It's a really good cup of tea. Really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to do many more. Just like, and to just like get comfortable in front of the camera. Comfortable like whipping the camera out in front of people, because there were many times today where I went I went to go film and I didn't because I was scared because there were people around, which I just need to get over. But yeah, sorry, the tea is really good and I'm really thirsty from all the salty popcorn. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.